Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and network parity. This avoids later failures. Make sure the TV firmware is updated because Airplay often requires the newest build. Next, connect your iPhone or Mac and the Panasonic TV to the same Wi-Fi network, either 4 GHz or 5 GHz works. Once done, open the TV menu, navigate to Network, and enable Airplay or Apple Airplay and HomeKit. This unlocks the TV as a target device for mirroring and streaming. Now you'll initiate the connection from your device. On iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then pick your Panasonic TV from the list. On Mac, click the Airplay icon in the menu bar and choose the TV, selecting Mirror or Use as a separate display as needed. Make sure TV Airplay settings match your security preference. Require code for first-time devices or allow always, because that controls who can stream to your TV and prevents accidental connections. Finish by starting playback on your phone or Mac. You can control playback and volume directly from that source device, and the TV will display the stream. When done, stop mirroring or disconnect via the same Airplay control to free the TV. If the stream fails, try the single most effective fix. Restart the TV, your source device, and the router. Also make sure firmware is current and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. This resolves most connectivity and lag problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.